See this discoloration? Could be aphids. Yeah, and the leaf edges are curling. Let's flag this row. Good call. Everything appears to be in order. Thank you, proceed. Adelante! All documents are in order. Confirm, proceed to unload. Truck, reverse to the bay. Copy that. Looks clean? Good flow? Yes, quality is consistent. Approved. Next batch. Scanning now. Dryness looks uniform. Quality block apply wide and has hot spots.
Throughput holding steady at 450, moisture is optimal. Confirmed, quality block is applied, all parameters green.
Applying quality block.
Proceeding with purity test.
Purity confirmed, 99.8%.